My background, I'm a former professional rugby player, played 16 professional seasons, had a myriad of injuries over that time and obviously hard to avoid knee injuries over that time. I'm 48 now, still very active, love running, and I've really, I guess, compounded some of those historical injuries with an awful lot of wear and tear. I'm really looking, I guess, for a lifeline to continue doing the things I love doing. My knee is sore every day, would be the way I would describe it. Although some days worse than others, it's becoming increasingly hard to manage. And it's a sharp and uncomfortable pain, and I would say that I can sort of fast see the point coming where running is not going to be something which is on the menu if I don't do something about it. I've started doing high rocks. It's light rugby pre-season, absolutely love it, and something which I'm pretty reasonable at. So addicted to it really. Train really hard. I'm training 6 days a week, but mainly functional fitness related to high rocks, so lunges, squats, and a fair amount of running or treadmill based. The knee has been swollen now, really without any let up for about 6 months. The right knee, but both knees get slightly puffy, but the right knee in particular, so I would say best described as a wet knee really, and I just sort of manage the pressure in it. I've had scans on the knee just really to confirm what I know is that there's an awful lot of wear and tear in there. I guess historically I've had surgery to put the medial collateral ligament right, and then more recently I've had a number of cortisones and hyaluronic acid injections just to really keep it ticking over. Are the injections, are the procedures painful? And the answer is almost always no. The thought of it is almost far worse than the actual experience of having it done, and the benefit of having it done far outweighs that as well. Would I recommend Oxford Circus Physio to my friends? And the answer to that is unquestionably. Look, I've worked with some pretty good physios and medical centres, as you can imagine, being a professional sportsman over the years. And the good ones are really hard to find, and particularly when you're not involved in professional sport. And one of the things which I love about this place is I feel like I've found a place where I know I'm going to get well looked after, I know I'm going to get well diagnosed, and I know I'm going to get well treated, and it's going to get me back on the road again. So personally, I can't speak more highly of the place, and I've already made a lot of recommendations.